Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is Chestnut and Caroline. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. Deep within a vast forest, where ancient trees whispered forgotten tales, lived a magnificent horse named Chestnut. Its coat, the color of autumn's embrace, made it appear truly splendid amid the lush expanse of nature. Chestnut roamed freely, and the rhythmic melody of its hooves created a harmonious tune on the soft earth. One day, as sunlight filtered through the dense canopy, casting enchanting patterns on the forest floor, a curious blonde girl named Caroline ventured into this magical realm. The air seemed charged with anticipation, for their destinies were about to intertwine in this unexpected encounter. Caroline's eyes sparkled with a curious light as she noticed Chestnut grazing on the sunlit meadow within the woods. The horse sensed a kindred spirit in her and approached with gentle curiosity, initiating a bond that transcended the barriers of species, a friendship woven from trust and shared exploration. Chestnut and Caroline became inseparable companions, and their days were filled with adventures only found in the untamed depths of the wilderness. Together, they discovered secret clearings adorned with vibrant wildflowers and crossed babbling brooks, and their playful escapades echoed the forest's melody as they ran beneath the dappled sunlight. As seasons danced in the eternal cycle, new challenges emerged. A pack of wolves, drawn by the enchanting scents of this magical forest, ventured into their home. Faced with this threat, Caroline and Chestnut stood united. With human ingenuity and equine intuition, they successfully repelled the predators, establishing themselves as the guardians of this mystical sanctuary. The echoes of their magnificent deeds reverberated among the ancient trees, transforming Caroline and Chestnut's story into an eternal legend, a testament to the friendship forged in the heart of uncharted nature, a friendship built on shared joys and enduring camaraderie. Amidst the silent corridors of the forest, where the murmurs of leaves in the wind served as witness, Caroline and Chestnut's friendship thrived. It became a tale beyond the ordinary, one that spoke of how, in the heart of the untouched forest, bonds of friendship, courage, and the enduring allure of nature could blossom and endure.